CANTO is a layer 1 blockchain built to deliver on the promise of DeFi. Recently, I gave you a quick overview of the CANTO blockchain, and I said I'm going to do a demo. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap, how to get it, how to stake, and etc. However, I won't be able to show you the bridging part from Ethereum, assuming you know how to do that, because I'm not gonna, there are several ways to get it, and I'm gonna just choose one, but I'll show you the rest. All right, assuming you know how to bridge from Ethereum, USDT, etc., bridge it over, then you can use Slingshot, connect your MetaMask wallet, and purchase CANTO. Sitting at 64 cents on Dex Screener, because this is what's on Osmosis. And on Osmosis, the TVL, the total value locked, the LP is $700, which is pretty low, lower than 1,000. And that 1,000 matters, which I'm going to come to in a second. Thanks to a couple of dudes on Twitter, helped me back and forth to figure out some bridging and all that stuff. And mentioned the swap router kicks in after 1K TVL. So that's why you don't see it yet. So I kind of figured out, and I'm going to show you exactly what's happening. This is on Osmosis, sitting at 64 cents. However, it's sitting at, well, on Slingshot, it's sitting at 50 cents, assuming this is more accurate. So CANTO sitting at 50 cents. It was about 20 cents when I've seen it, and now it's sitting at 50 cents. And I'm not here to tell you to, I'm not here telling you to buy, sell, stake, or whatever, just to show you exactly what's happening. Okay. And later on, if it makes sense, I'm going to cover it again. First, it's listed on MEXC Global Exchange. If you prefer to go that way, centralized exchange, you can get it from there. You can transfer over to your Kepler or MetaMask, and then you can stake it, etc. That's number one way. Second, you can go to the bridging section here. Okay. You have to connect to Ethereum, and assuming you have USDC, USDT, and wrapped ETH on Ethereum network, choose how much you want, then just click a few buttons and bridge it over to CANTO. All right. And once you do that, let's say you brought in some USDT. Okay. And then you go to Slingshot, connect your wallet, choose whichever. Since you're using MetaMask, Ethereum, right? Click on MetaMask, select, connect, and then whatever USDT, let's say 100 USDT, is gonna buy you 197. That's how much it is right now. All right. So that's how you get CANTO, second way. All right. This is number two. Number three, which is my way, Osmosis, but I wouldn't suggest to do so because the slippage is really high. The TVL is low. And I thought, let me just be a guinea pig. Let's provide some liquidity for fun. That's exactly what I did, ladies and gents. So this is pool number 901, CANTO Osmo. Its pool liquidity is sitting at $717. Once it gets to $1,000 at least, that's when you'll be able to see it on the swap section. I'm going to show you, in a second. All right. So I'm just giving, just put $180. And right now you can't bond. You can see bond liquidity unavailable. Check back for bonding rewards. It's going to kick in later on. There's no APR. However, right now the swap fee is 0.2%. That's the reward. And like I said, I'm just doing it for fun, just to show you how it works. Over here, if you go to swap section in order to buy CANTO, because if you go to the assets, you can see CANTO is listed here, right? This is Osmosis Frontier. If you click on deposit and withdraw, so on this side, you have to connect through Kepler. There's a difference. Remember, MetaMask bridging Ethereum, that's different. So MEXC, Ethereum bridging, MetaMask. Now we're talking about Osmosis and Kepler. So for some reason, Kepler, when it connects to CANTO, there's some issue, meaning I see the red exclamation mark. Maybe it's not activated or whatever it is. We'll figure that out. Okay. Should work just fine. You can deposit and withdraw. And on the other hand, same thing. If you have, let's say you bridged and bought CANTO on MetaMask, right? You have it on MetaMask. You can actually bring it over to Osmosis. Just click on withdraw, deposit, and you can actually, it'll just show you exactly how to do it. All right. So if you go to swap here, and if you type in CANTO, you won't see it. Exactly. This is the point. It says the swap router kicks in after 1K TVL. So after $1,000 TVL, once we have $1,000 locked in, that's when you probably will be able to see the CANTO here. All right. So right now, then if you don't see it, how do you swap and buy? Good question. Go to pool. And I just showed you 901, and that's when you can use to buy it. CANTO Osmo. You see the trade pair here. If you click on trade pair, this is where you can actually swap now. All right. So let's say one, but the problem is, you see this? The slippage, the price, that's the problem. So the slippage is really high. You're paying a lot more on this, unless you want to, like I said, it's convenient. If you want to choose this way, you have to pay a little more to get CANTO, or choose MEXC Global Exchange or Ethereum Bridge and do that way. Okay, so ladies and gents, probably the slippage will go down. It's significantly high right now because of the TVL, clearly mentioned. Once the TVL keeps growing, hope it grows. And depending on when you are watching this video, because I'll be putting it in the next several hours, so, and things in crypto changes quick. So depending on when you watch this video, the TVL might go down or up. Okay, so pay attention. But whatever I've just shown you, I think this is how it plays out. All right, so this is how you get Canto. And once you've done it, let's say you've got it, right? Now, if you want to stake, you have staking, LP interface, lending. Now you can just do whatever you want. It's very straightforward. I can only show you staking because once you connect your wallet, keep swapping around, right? Once you connect your wallet, I have about 3 Canto for whatever reasons they've given to me. And well, if you click on it, it is giving you 21.19 APR, which is totally fine. Single-sided. Go to the all validators section, choose whichever validators you want. I'll just say Crossnest, and you can see amount. It says available balance 3.5 Canto, commission 5%. The commission is what they take. It's not what you get. A lot of people confuse this. All right, over here you can just staking will lock up your funds for at least 21 days. That's 3 weeks. Delegate, undelegate, redelegate. That's how you do it. Just click on delegate and that's it. This is on MetaMask. You just have to sign. Over here, just go through this and click on sign and that's it. So I'll click on sign. Oh, wow. I'm just doing it. Why not? I did, and I hope it works out. It should be fine. Let's go to my staking. Total staked 1 to Crossnest. And that's it. Ladies and gents, pretty simple, right? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm sure they'll be working on this, the interface and a lot more down the road. They have this lending. Everything's very straightforward. Once you just understand, I mean, pretty much. If you can bridge and stake, the rest of them are pretty straightforward. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I'll probably do a follow-up on this.